Hello students, good morning. Myself Manish sir. Today I am going to take you to the first lesson of class 8, that is crop production and its management. Basically, we must understand that what is agriculture. It is a branch of science which deals with the process of producing crops and the raising of animals. It has some different branches which deals with the raising of animals too, like apiculture, pisciculture, etc. Here, first of all, we should study about the different processes of cultivation of crops and some typical terminologies related to it. Now, let us define the term crop. A vegetation which is grown at a larger scale and in a larger region is known as crop. Now, let us understand about agricultural implements. Actually, agricultural implements are those tools or equipments which helps us to do those 7 basic practices which are required for the cultivation of crop. Some of the examples of agricultural implements are plough, hoe, cultivator, combine, seed drill, etc. As we know that our country India is a land of farmers and it has a wide spread of its boundary, and hence it faces mainly 3 seasons throughout the year, and that is the reason for which there are different crops grow in these 3 different seasons, and hence on the basis of crops grown in these 3 seasons, mainly crops are categorized into 3 categories. They are Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Here are some of the examples of the crops related to these categories, and here comes the first crop, that is Zaid, which is grown during March to June, and the examples are pumpkin, cucumber, bitter gourd, etc. Next to it is Kharif crop. Kharif crop has the examples of maize, rice, groundnuts, pulses, etc. And these crops are grown during July to October. Next to it is Rabi crop, which is grown during October to November, and the examples are mustard, wheat, chickpea, etc. Now, let us see what are the 7 basic steps we should follow for a good cultivation of a crop. They are: number 1, preparation of soil; number 2, sowing of seed; number 3, adding manures and fertilizers; number 4, irrigation; number 5, protecting from weeds; number 6, that is harvesting; and number 7, storage of crops. Now, let us study these 7 basic practices in details, one by one. First one is preparation of soil. In order to prepare soil, we should pass through 2 basic steps, which includes ploughing or tilling and leveling. Let us define first what is ploughing or tilling. Ploughing is a basic practice which helps a farmer to enhance or to regain the nutrition by turning the soil upside down.